Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students of class 9, today we are going to complete our chapter number 1, Introduction to Biology. What topics we will study today? History of biology, in which you will study European and other biologists, Islamic view about origin of life, biogenesis and abiogenesis, and chemical and organic evolution. So first we start history of biology, other biologist. William Harvey. He described circulation of blood. Galileo. Do you know what is this? Can you tell the name of this thing? This is called microscope. That was the first microscope invented by the scientist Galileo. It is his contribution in the field of biology, but basically he is the greatest scientist and he a physician. He invented thermometer, compass, telescope and pendulum clock also. What is the basic unit of life? Yes, cell. Who discovered cell? Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke used a microscope to examine a thin slice of cork. What he saw looked like small boxes, so he called them cells. Schleiden and Schwann, they worked on the detailed structures of plant and animal cell, finally formulated a cell theory. Louis Pasteur, he discovered bacteria as causes of many diseases like tuberculosis. Basically, he was a microbiologist and chemist. J. Lister, he discovered antiseptics. What are antiseptics? Antiseptics are antimicrobial substances that are applied to living tissue or skin to reduce the possibility of infection. He discovered iodine and carbolic acid. They both used as antiseptics. E. Jenner, he was founder of modern vaccination. He discovered method of vaccination against smallpox. Charles Darwin, he wrote the book Origin of Species about evolution of different species through natural selection. Gregor John Mendel, he gave laws of heredity and laid foundation of genetics. He also told the characteristic of garden pea. Watson and Crick, they proposed a double helix model of DNA to explain the function of DNA as hereditary material. This is the picture of double helix model of DNA. So here we completed our other biology, history of biology. Now Islamic view about origin of life. In Surah Anam, verse number 102, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala told us, He is the creator of the heavens and the earth. Who is the creator? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In Surah Al-Mu'minun, verse number 14, this is basically the origin of life, how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala produced a living organism. He is telling us that I am the creator. Then fashioned we the drop clot, then fashioned we the clot a little lump, then fashioned we the little lump bones, then clothed the bones with flesh. Now what scientists gave us about the origin of life? This is called the concept of abiogenesis and biogenesis. What are their definitions? Biogenesis. What do you think? What will be biogenesis? Bio means life. So how life produce? Biogenesis means making new living things, more specifically It is the theory that living things only come from other living